Alright, to do a basic windmill, you're going to have to start with the stab. Now, if you haven't seen the stab tutorial, you should go back and watch that one first so you know exactly what I'm talking about here. So you're in the stab position, and I want you to turn your body just a little bit, kind of like a hang glide. You're turning your body just a little bit in that position. Now, my right leg, I'm going to swing it under. And as you can see, when I do this, I'm going to keep my legs in a straddle. Okay, it's very important that you keep your legs in a straddle while you're doing these windmills. So swing it and down to your back. And I'm going down to my upper back when I do them fast. So in the stab position, swing and then go here. And when I go down to my back and I'm going back up, I'm going to use my left hand to push back up onto my right. Put my body on my right arm in that stab position. I'm going to swing a little bit. Then that right leg is going to swing again. So slowly I'm going to go swing, stab, swing, stab. So again, if you didn't catch that, I go right leg, swing, stab, swing, and then stab. So as you do this, you're turning your body just a little bit before you swing that right leg. So you see I swing it and use my left hand to push up, swing again, and then just repeat. So that's a basic windmill right there. Windmills take a long time to learn. They take a lot of practice, so don't get discouraged if you don't get it quickly. Just keep on practicing. Peace.